Gang, 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 gang. Yeah, man, Dan Mafia, see what we are dealing with today. We back in this bitch, man. We back with more reaction. I don't know. Mr. Consistent Jambisco is back in the building. Triple upload Jambisco is back in the building. You already know what time it is, man. Yeah, man, gang. So what are you today? So we're back in the building with none other than the Senegal boss. I believe this one was requested by T-Man with a plan, BUBBIE. Yeah, but I accidentally did Barbie by mistake. But hey, man, you know, we got that one done. But yeah, man, I think this is the one that T-Man with the plan actually requested. So we'll check it out. So Najeeriii I deal with today. Yeah, I don't know, the Senegal boss, you know, man. Keep doing his thing, promising young artists. I ain't gonna lie though, lately, Najeeriii, his views is looking kinda, you know what I'm saying? But you look like that got switched up. Look like he took a little break for a little bit. Well, let's check it out. So that I deal with today. Now we'll be vibe much longer. This is Najeeriii, Senegal boss. BUBBIE, let's get it, man. Russian. Hey, Russian, I put in the work from the end, dog. Yeah, man, no jokes, man. Yeah, man. Dog, I put in the work, man. He just dropped a song with Shensia, and I think he did the Najeeriii song before this, so it's like crazy. BUBBIE! Hey, yo, Najeeriii, I like your teeth, my word, no, dog. This how me use, you know. Yeah, this is how I call my girl. You know what I'm saying? BUBBIE! Two little slimmers, Najeeriii love his slimmers, them.
They got your jazz, no. Get charge up. No, I'm a shot with my knock out. Boy, glass of a car bus. When the party starts, she wanna ride up. She get starstruck before we start. Fuck, still holding hand.
Okay, easy now, man. That's it. Take off and get charged up. Alright. Take it from the top again. I'm liking it. Let me see that. Take off your jazz on and get charged up. Hey, you wanna jump with me and I cut. Alright.
They got your jazz, no. Get charged up. No, I'm a shot with my knock out. Boy, glass of a car bus. When the party.
Oh, take off your jazz now. Get charged up. No, me shot, but me nah cut. Get it, shortcut. Alright, let's get it.
Start, she wanna ride up. She get starstruck before we start. Fuck, still holding hand, cause she know me last love.
Starstruck before we start.
Probably did I look a fast nut. You can't tie to me.
I said, baby, me tell them why you, but me probably look a fast nut, you know. I didn't mean to lie to you. You feel me? But I had to get the mission done. Come on.
Nobody living a lie, BUBBIE. You can't leave your heart, me just might do it. One girl do right and Babbo try to bitch after you fight for me. No slut can't be no bride to me. Brothers, the large.
Slut can't be no bride to me. To you, me see no found out about these hoes, bro. These bumbleed yameds.
And a tight pussy. Hungry time if you call me, and when you walk, you mad bull. I ain't gonna ask so much, but you want me love. Unfortunately, me not have enough. No.
Man say only time you call me when you want to give a man more. When time you want to give a man bud. When he say, yo, weird.
Much, but you want me love.
Weird. You don't want much, but you want me love.
When you walk, you mad bull. I ain't gonna ask so much, but you want me love. Unfortunately, me not have enough.
Oh, boy. That's cold. Man say, yo, you don't have too much, you know. You just want me love, you know. But unfortunately, me not have enough, you know. Me not have enough for you, mama. You see me?
Dark, you know, she get charged before the dance start, she drunk. Fuck a couple times to move on to you. Push her cause the tights if you start me up. When I tell her say you can't live up, but when no say you'd rather be a star with us. You can't lie to me. Nobody living a lie, BUBBIE. You can't leave your heart, me just might do it. But just might. One girl
just might, man. You see me like a big chopper, man. Me can't leave your heart, me just might do it. Easy, no, mama. Easy.
Right and Babbo try to bitch after you fight for me. No slut can't be no bride to me. Brothers, the large and a tight pussy. Hungry time if you call me, and when you walk, you mad. They got your jazz, no.
Get charge up. Hey, no me sharp, but me not cut. Easy, sir.
Charge up. No me sharp, but me not cut. Boy, glass of a car bus. When the party starts, she wanna ride up. She get starstruck before we.
Yeah, man, when the party starts, she wanna board the car before the. You see me, I'm saying? Yeah, man. She gets starstruck before we start. Hey!
Start fuck, still holding hand, cause she know me last love. So let me tell her something, why you? But probably did I look a fast enough.
Easy yourself. Those neighbors, they are this taboo. Head concussion. Najeeriii, BUBBIE. Yeah, man. Do them. Yeah, man, that's a good look, man. Shout out to Najeeriii, bro. He really doing his thing, bro. You see me, I say? Really growing into his craft. You see me? For the past 2 songs he did, I see that he is switching it up a bit. Instead of that, like, a aggressive approach. You know, the aggressive chop approach, he's doing this more smooth, like, singing flow. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, shout out to Naj. Shout out to Najeeriii, for real, gang. Yeah, man, we know nothing about the one in the comment section. Something a little bit different than what Najeeriii drops. The topic is usually, you know, the girl topic, the man thing, but like, as in the style is a little bit different than what he normally drops. You know, a little bit more aggressive, a little more chopping, as in lyrics wise, a little more DJing than singing. But I like this one, man. You know what I'm saying? Najeeriii switching it up, you know, keeping you guys on your toes. He's like, yo, no can't do penny me and go on like, no one know me I do. I want my next move, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. So he's switching up a bit. Shout out to Najeeriii. Let me know anything about that one in the comment section. Guys, he's doing this thing, man. Yeah, man. Really dope artist. Young Youth Night game. This is going to be his 2nd year, right? Yeah, 2nd year in the game, bro. He's doing this thing, man. So we there watching, man. Hopefully, he take it to the stars, the moon, and beyond. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Naj, pick up yourself, man. Gee, you already know what time it is, gang. Your boy Jambisco back with another crazy reaction. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. You know the Jambisco time. Send on. Drop your request in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? Let's chop it up. Let's discuss it. You see me what I'm saying? Yeah, drop your requests. All that good stuff. And look out for the lives. You know what I'm saying? Your boy back with a vengeance, man. We going hard. You know what I'm saying? So, till next time. Take care of yourself and each other, guys. Love you. Love you guys.
On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.